These are the elevators at the SkyCenter 1 parking garage at the Tampa International Airport in Tampa, Florida. Got some Schindler 3300s. We are at 6. Let's go back down to 1. There's your inspection certificate. 3,500-pound capacity. Let's switch cars up on 2. We'll send this one up to 6 afterwards. So the floors aren't colored in this garage, they're all marked as blue. So let's call the other one, which should be coming down. So let's go to 1. Door closed doesn't work. There's your certificate. I can't tell if that was the elevator or a car. I guess we'll find out if it makes the same noise. And we'll end the video down at 1. Yeah, that's definitely the elevator. Wonder why it's making so much noise. There's also an entrance, I believe, to the office building right over here, but one of those you need a car reader for, and that'll be it.